All right, we're at the Rupes booth here with Giancarlo. He is going to show us a new tool that Rupes have brought along to the show this year. So this is a replacement for the Nano?
This is the version 2.
Version 2.
So this is the upgraded of the Nano.
Okay.
As you've seen, the Nano's been for close to a decade now.
Yeah, we've had
a little bit over.
About 3-4 years. So we've got a lot of hands-on time with the Nano. So
exactly.
I'm excited to see what's different here.
Not much in the design had changed, besides more on the internal side.
Okay.
So now we have different gears in here, different stuff. It's actually giving it more power, but it's also very light.
Okay.
So as you can see, it's a little bit lighter than the previous version.
It is, yeah. It feels quite nicely balanced as well.
Very well balanced.
Very, very similar through this part of the machine.
Yes.
Here, this is the main
thing. And if you notice right here, there used to be a button right over here.
Yes, that was your release point.
Correct.
Yep.
We don't need that release anymore because now this is a quick attach. So this is our smart fix system that we just developed, fully patented. Previously, we had a rotary version of this that would go into a 1-inch. Now we have a 2-inch. So you just gotta find a little snap, get it in there. Just like that. You're finished with your rotary part. You need to swap out really quick.
How do you pop that out? Do you just pull that?
You just pull it out because it is a magnetic piece.
Yep.
So we're gonna go into our orbital or a DA.
Magnetic clicks on.
Pop that piece in there. Give it a little quick spin on one. Pops into place. You're good to go now on full orbital DA mode.
Now we got the DA. Okay, so we've got the 2-inch rotary, 2-inch DA. We still have the 1-inch attachment.
We still have the 1-inch.
Okay.
We still have the extension for the 1-inch rotary.
Okay, yes.
We have a smaller version for the rotary as well. So if you want to get really close and you don't need the extension, you can use that as well.
Okay.
And we also have the sanding adapter as well. So now you can do any type of spot sanding, denibbing, things like that.
So the previous version, there was a long neck and a short neck available.
Correct.
Is this now just one machine fits all?
Just one machine fits all.
Okay, excellent.
We found that it's just much easier for the consumer to purchase something that they don't need to go purchase a different type or anything like that.
Well, this is one of those machines that, in a perfect world, or the previous one, I would have had 4. I would have had 4 of these. I would have had a long neck and a short neck, times 2. Yeah, one with rotary, because it's a pain. Well, it was a pain to swap out. It was like, oh, we need to do a little section rotary. Like, it would have been easier to have a standalone. That, just pop. Can you show us how to pop that out now?
Absolutely.
Is that just, again, like...
Pop it in like that.
It comes out with the DA attachment on it. Okay.
Correct. That's your DA attachment.
Yeah,
right?
okay.
Now, this is a sleeve for protection.
Okay.
So it's going to protect your finger, because if I do it without it, you're going to have something similar to this.
Okay, that's going to be throwing around.
Right. And then if you're thinner here, that's going to hit your finger. It's going to be able to... So at least with this right now, we're able to attach this sleeve on here that gives you the protection for your finger. Also allows minimizing dust and stuff to get inside these actual compartments in there, right?
Yeah.
And then it's just basically swap in, pop it in, and you're good to go.
Okay, different battery system, plug and play with the previous model?
So this battery is a little bit more powerful than the previous one.
Okay.
It's going to be better to use this one. The kit will come with the 2 batteries, but you're still able to use the previous battery as well.
Okay, excellent. And then the current system we use, basically, we're charging a battery. When it runs out, we can just swap in, out. The charge time, run time is almost exactly the same?
The same.
With this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
exactly the same. The charger from the previous one will work on this one as well.
Okay, excellent. I think that's all you guys need to know. So the new, what are we calling this? This is the Nano 2?
This is the Nano version 2.
Nano version 2, and so available?
It's available after today. We're taking orders right now. So if you're a distributor, go ahead, place your order with your salesman from your area, and you'll have it in stock within the next 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay, fantastic. Hopefully we'll have that in the Omni Garage studio very soon. I'm looking forward to not having to have many of these lying around and doing that quick pop in,
yes,
pop out. But
you're going to love it.
Appreciate your
time.
Love it.
You're very welcome, man. Thank you, guys.